With its striking all-black design, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro looks like a premium appliance at first glance. But we wanted to know if its sealing capabilities were equally impressive. To find out, we rigorously tested it in the Should It lab. Hello and welcome to Should It Vacuum Sealer series. I'm Matthew Lee, and in today's episode of Should It Vacuum Sealer series, we're going to take a look at the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. We'll cover everything you need to know about this high-end sealer, from its sleek design to its user-friendliness and sealing performance. By the end, you have all the facts to decide if it deserves a spot in your kitchen. How we test. Before we dive in, a quick word about the testing process here at the Should It lab. We evaluate each vacuum sealer using three key criteria: performance, design, and usability. The higher a product scores in these areas, the more enthusiastically we can recommend it. And don't worry, we use the same system to rate every vacuum sealers we examine to keep things fair. Curious about the nitty-gritty of our methodology and our rating process? Search How Should It Test Vacuum Sealers online for more information. Overview. Right off the bat, the Anova Precision Pro Sealer grabs your attention with a sophisticated black housing that artfully combines matte and glossy finishes. It feels solid and well constructed throughout. At 15.5 inches long, 7.1 inches wide, and 4.3 inches tall, with a weight of 5 pounds, it's moderately sized for a full-featured model. You appreciate extras like an integrated bag storage compartment with a cutter, specialized sealing modes, and an accessory port. The streamlined control panel features just 6 well-labeled buttons. Performance. In a dry food sealing test using bags of fries, the Anova Precision Pro truly shined. It consistently achieved a remarkable 67 kPa of suction in a mere 14 seconds across 2 back-to-back trials. This outstanding and reliable performance earns it an 8.9 out of 10 for dry food sealing. When sealing moist foods like mango slices, the Anova smartly reduces suction to prevent crushing the fruit. Peak suction range from 43 to 45 kPa with longer cycle times of 39 to 41 seconds. While not as speedy as dry mode, the precise suction control kept the mangoes intact. It scores a 6.1 out of 10 for moist food sealing. All in all, the Anova Precision Pro earns an excellent performance rating of 7.8 out of 10, with top marks for dry goods and satisfactory results for moist foods. Design. In terms of design, the Anova Precision Pro is a standout with its sleek black body that exudes quality and durability. Each component seems meticulously crafted. The roomy lid secures tightly thanks to a handy handle lock, allowing fuss-free one-handed use. Inside, you'll find replaceable foam seals to ensure an airtight vacuum chamber. Thoughtful extras include non-slip feet, cold storage, and a built-in compartment for back rolls, complete with a flip-down cutter. These features add a lot of convenience. The control panel's 6 buttons are intuitively arranged, though we did find the indicator lights a bit dim in bright settings, a very minor quibble. With its stylish aesthetics, sturdy build, and practical bonus features, the Anova snags an impressive design score of 9.8 out of 10. Usability. Operating the Anova Precision Pro is refreshingly straightforward thanks to the intuitive button layout and handle lock that allows easy one-handed lid operation. Simply pick your mode and the sealing begins instantly. Safety-wise, there's a bright orange warning strip above the heating bar inside. Noise levels are on par with other sealers, hitting a max of 83 decibels during dry sealing. The button lights function properly, but can be hard to see in intense light. There's also no audible alert when sealing is done. Even with those small shortcomings, the Anova's user-friendly controls, effortless handling, and safety features earned it a commendable usability score of 8.6 out of 10. Verdict. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro masterfully combines a high-end look with outstanding overall performance, particularly excelling at sealing dry goods with its robust, reliable suction. It holds its own with moist-free sealing, albeit at a slightly slower pace. The top-notch construction, one-handed lid lock, and convenient extras like the back cutter and roll storage further boost its appeal. The only minor gripes are the hard-to-read lights in sun-drenched kitchens and the absence of a completion chime, but those hardly detract from its numerous strengths. Scoring an excellent 8.4 out of 10 overall in our rigorous test, the stylish and highly capable Anova Precision Pro gets a hearty recommendation for home users who want a dependable, full-featured vacuum sealer. And that's that for our Anova Precision Pro sealer review. If you like this model, an Amazon link is in the description below. And if you'd like to see some other choices before you pull the trigger on one, you can look up the Should It Vacuum Sealer series to see more choices. Let us know your thoughts on the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro in the comments, as well as leave a like and subscribe. And if you appreciate our team's exhaustive, unbiased product reviews, consider donating to our work. Thanks for tuning in to Should It, and happy sealing. Catch you in the next video.